What's up, dudes? My name... Well, that was a fail. What's up, guys? My name is Cam, or Nerdy Camera, and pick up your nerdy cams, because today I am blowing myself up. Yes. Yes, I am. Okay. So, today I have 300 and how much is that? 312 TNT. I'm not gonna do one of those crazy YouTuber things like with exploding TNT. I did get this idea from exploding TNT, and I really thought it would be fun. So shout out to him. Unfortunately, I don't have more subs than him. Hopefully, I will soon. If YouTube is still popular. So yeah, I have, alright, hold on. Time shit 0. Thank you. There's actually a village over there, but everybody knows that just standing on one block of TNT will instantly kill you. So what if I give myself, effects, what is it? Resistance 1. Or, let me give myself 3 minutes. Oh, I have to switch it around. Okay, so resistance for 180 seconds, 1. Alright. Oh my god. Don't give me resistance to I'm gonna fix this. I can fix this. Okay, so there's still the torch. Please give me 1 sec, guys. What about if that's resistance? Okay, hold up. Give TNT this. Let's not use resistance. Alright, just kill myself. How about this? Absorption. Alright. I'm sorry, guys. This is just... I did not think resistance would just... I don't know. Alright. So, I want to enchant myself with... absorption. For 3 minutes. Alright, now I have some good absorption. Actually, let me give myself a row. There we go. Alright, now. Alright, guys. Are you ready to blow up a YouTuber? So I'm going to be doing the impossible quiz for the 30 subscriber special, but if you guys did enjoy this, I will do it for the 30 subscriber special, because as you guys know, I do like doing multiple videos for a subscriber special. So it's a little bit to prepare, but 312 TNT versus a guy with absorption 4. Here we go, guys. Oh! What? Well, guys, I guess you can say I'm pretty much a... Let me up. I'm pretty much just a god at Minecraft. I just survived that. Yeah. It was honestly kind of boring. I'll be back with another one. One sec. Actually, I'll let you guys watch. If you don't want to. Just, yeah. Can I give myself more than... Dang it. 64. Alright. Wait, but first... Okay, so now I have no absorption. Actually, here's what I might do. I think I'm going to give myself absorption. Effects. Minecraft. Absorption. 0. Ah! There we go. Alright, so I have a little bit of absorption. You know what, I'm gonna skip this part. Okay, so that took a little bit of work, and what is this? I'm pretty sure it's 500 TNT. Hold up. I was just building for like whatever. Oh, yeah, it is 500 TNT. Nice. Okay, so I'm in actually TNT. I need a quick demonstration. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I think I might just do it in normal. Eat an egg. K-mess. Alright. I'm gonna grab this. Game mode 1. Here we go, guys. Oh, probably not going to survive this if I'm completely honest with you. But oh my god. Actually, ooh, I have a better idea. Health boost 4. That didn't work. 180. 4. Now I have an extra set of hearts. Okay, and as soon as that reaches to the top, I'm going to turn it to game rule. I really should have prepared earlier. Do mob spawning false. Now easy mode. You guys ready? 40 health versus 500 TNT. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. That was absolute annihilation. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. What? That was insane. That was ridiculous. You have to admit, that was... I mean, I kind of expected me to like live, like stay alive with like, what, like one or 2 hearts. But no, just instead of that, absolute annihilation. Oh man. Look at the destruction in the ground. I'm like picking up dirt and stuff. Oh, this is ridiculous, dude. Hold on, I want to patch up this hole. I think I'm definitely gonna come back in this world to do another one of those explosions. Look at the blocks, like they're all like glitched out from the TNT. This is sick, dude. This is absolutely sick. Dude! Dude! I just realized something. Look at this. Look at this. I can make this into, like, look, if I patch this up and a bunch of other things up, I can turn this into an entire arena. Oh, like popular MMOs with like challenge games, mob battles. I think I might do mob battles. Sounds cool. Cause I know 2 different like I can use the Iron Golem, inspect him with some random enchantments and stuff, and then yeah, that would be kind of cool. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video of a massive destruction, I really hope you do enjoyed. Please leave a thumbs up. Make sure you're a nerd. I mean, if you're not a nerd, it's okay. If you're some cool kid, way cooler than me, that would be awesome. But you're probably too cool for me, so whatever. Anyway, so hope you all guys would subscribe, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, you can put a thumbs down. I don't care. It's your thoughts, your opinion. Who cares? But sometimes I get kind of annoyed with like thumbs down or something. But that's because it's just my first thumbs down and stuff, and yeah. So yeah, guys, I am Nerdy Camera. I hope to see you all guys sometime later. Make sure you're checking the clock. Turn on that bell. Click the bell for the little I can't speak. For the little notifications, or should I say awesomeness? No, nothing's awesome. Anyway, I'm Nerdy Camera, and I hope to see you all nerds sometime later. Bye bye, guys.